It's Monday, December 14th, and I'm Mark Friedman, just an American citizen. Beautiful day, waiting for the snow to come up. We're looking for it on Wednesday. No notes, no sense, and we're going to talk today about, no notes, no sense. We're going to talk today, which is really the biggest, one of the biggest, just craziest lies and frauds of all time. And that's Kevin McCarthy. He's a liar and fraudster, and all 126 Republicans and the 17 attorney generals who supported Ken Paxton, the Republican attorney generals, who supported Ken Paxton in his attempt to set aside all the votes in Pennsylvania, Georgia, Michigan, and Wisconsin. And what did they do? They filed what's called an Amicus Brief. Remember with Ken Paxton, hey, he's only been indicted for 5 years, never came to trial. Wonder why? Ooh, maybe it's because you're attorney general, you know people. You know, Texas could kind of be, ooh, you got to wonder, right? And at the same time, if the FBI has raided has hit him with subpoenas. Why is he doing this? Of course we know why, because Donald Trump wants him to, and he needs a pardon. I mean, why not? Let's get the pardon. Won't help with the state indictment, but it'll sure help with the FBI. So let's go back. So now what's happened is the frauds, the liars, Kevin McCarthy, the 126 Republican congressmen, and the 17 attorney generals filed an amicus brief to the United States Supreme Court saying, we agree with what was filed by Paxton to set aside all these votes. Yet none of them read it. Not one of them. Think about it. They got staff. They got all this. Not one of them read it. They signed it, but they didn't read it. Hey, Mark, how do you know they didn't read it? You don't know these people. I don't have to, because all I had to do was look at it. And there's basic factual misrepresentations in Paxton's action. Let's use the easy one. Paxton says no candidate has ever lost the presidency if he won Ohio and Florida. Really? Really, Mr. Paxton? If I were you, I'd be more worried about your legal problems. Well, look at a little history. Nixon won Ohio and Florida in 1960 and lost the election to JFK. Now, you're telling me that 126 Republican congressmen sworn to uphold the Constitution and 17 attorney generals sworn to uphold whatever Constitution they got to swear didn't pick up these mistakes and facts? No. They also have aides, right? No, because they didn't read it, because they're frauds, because they're liars. It was no problem for them who swear to uphold the Constitution to put their names to a document that they had no idea what it said because they didn't read it. You want to talk about frauds? And now we have people in the streets. We need money in the streets for food. Food lines everywhere. I've been talking about it for years. Dallas, Houston. Yet Paxton's running around doing that stuff. You got it everywhere. Who cares? Republicans don't care about people. All they care about is keeping Trump in office. Who cares about the Constitution? Doesn't matter. Keep Trump in office. Keep Trump in office. People who swore an oath to the Constitution. Liars, frauds, Kevin McCarthy. Think about him when you hear him talk big on TV. And remember, he lied when he signed the amicus to the Supreme Court, to the U.S. Supreme Court, because he doesn't care. Oaths mean nothing to him and the other 126 Republican, so-called American congressmen. Luckily, the Supreme Court came through. Peace.